So for the last 3 days I've been van camping in North Wales, but the rain is terrible. The weather looks a lot better in South Wales, so I'm going to try and drive there and see if I can find a place to camp tonight. So I'm here in the van. I've drove further south. I've just parked up. I actually got some better weather in the spot that you've just seen. But after about 10 minutes of being here, it just started raining and the wind's really bad as well now. So the van's really shaking around. Up to yet, Wales has just been full of rain for me. So I'm gonna go to sleep now. And hopefully somewhere I go tomorrow, there's a little bit better weather. This is where I am. I'm parked up now. I'm in the south of Wales. I've swapped the rain for the wind, but I'd prefer that. At least I've been able to get out for a little bit. So this is where I'm parking tonight. I'm on the top of a hill on a very quiet road. It's pretty muddy where I've parked up, but it should be okay just for tonight. So I'm in the van now. I've just had some food. I'm editing a video, then I'm gonna go to bed. It is very, very windy tonight. The van is shaking all over the place. Sorry there's been no drone footage. Everywhere I've been, it's just been raining too heavy, or the wind's been too bad. So I've not dared take it up, but I will do as soon as I can. So this is where I slept last night. It was very, very windy, but at least it wasn't raining. Perfect spot for me. So now I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to head back up to Snowdon, up to North Wales, and see if I can get a van camp up there and see if I can walk up Snowdon as well. So thank you for watching, everybody. Stay tuned for the next one.